Good morning. It is 8 a.m. and Trev and I are going to get some coffee this morning. He just literally woke up less than 5 minutes ago. My stomach hurts because I think I woke up too early. My stomach always hurts when I wake up too early. So anyway, we're gonna go get some coffee.
This is gonna be day 2 of taking Himalayan shimmel shit. Remember how I said it tasted like fucking mildew? Well, it's made because like fucking, wasn't it like rocks and shit sit in the mountains of the Himalayas for like thousands of years?
And then it was like
water
ants
like
that turned into rock or something like that shit.
Oh, this shit is ass, bruh. So if you're ever gonna try this, make sure you have a drink on standby immediately. Just as bad. It doesn't get easier. Gross, but good for you. So beauty is pain.
Shillegit. Shillegit. Will you hand me the honey? Will you hand me the honey, but not the shillegit? Y'all, this is my breakfast today. Avocado toast and some sausages. I'm having a very fulfilling breakfast because I'm gonna be editing all day fucking long. Also, got my coffee, Black Rock. I get a cold brew with caramel macchiato flavoring and extra cream.
That would be so gross if you put that shit on the
Oh, fuck nah. On their food is crazy. Where they eat is great.
Those motherfuckers lick up.
Okay, time for breakfast. Taking the boys on a walk. Okay, nice. It's usually me opening packages, but today Trev is gonna be opening one.
Today it's me.
He got a poster that's really cool.
Really cool.
Oh, that's fire!
Yeah, that's sick.
Wanna put it up?
Yeah, you wanna come with? Everyone always says W stream room.
Okay, guys, this looks so fucking sick.
And you know what, babe? This will be cool too because the lights will reflect off that.
100%.
That'll be really cool.
So Trev said that he's had this on his Pinterest board forever, and this is one of his dream decorations for his stream room. He's a tired boy from going on a walk. This is the updates to the stream room. So what if it all works out? And then this was over there. So there was supposed to be an LED sign there that a certain YouTuber is ghosting about. Looks really cool. Like, obviously, it's gonna keep getting better.
Let me turn on my stream room lights.
Love it.
Yeah, see, because in the sun, then you can see green checks.
Green checks. No, that's sick.
Oh.
Okay, Trevor and I are about to work out, but I'm gonna take one of these fucking honeys again. They genuinely taste so bad, but I feel like that shit actually gave me like insane energy yesterday, and that's when we had a really good workout. So I'm gonna take another one today. Trevor took one this morning. He wanted to see what it was like taking these before work. This thing has like 90 or 98 out of the 102 minerals your body needs. I guess it's like really fucking good for you, but it should taste like ass. Time to literally eat some fucking sawdust. Wait, oh my god, I think aftertaste. If you fill your mouth with water and then squeeze it in and then swallow, it's not that bad. So I'm gonna have to do that. Pre-workout, now we're gonna go work out. Okay, this is me before my workout.
This is me before the workout.
Let's get it. Hey y'all. Decided that I want to make a label for my everything but the bagel seasoning to now only call it EBTB. Just in case people don't know what this is. You guys are witnessing the start. Oh, I fucked up the last B.
EBTB.
EBTB. And if you don't want EBTB, we also have everything but the bagel.
Oh.
And if you don't want that one, we also have everything but the bagel.
Oh, we got a lot of it.
Yeah. Okay, Trev and I are gonna drink some Rebbies. My choice is strawberry apricot. You know what? That'd be cool. Matching my makeup to the Redbull can. Oh, that's how I get the partnership.
That's a serious,
That's
yeah,
how I get
right
the
here.
partnership.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
What flavor did you get? Watermelon?
Watermelon.
It's been a while since I had that one. Can I try?
Been a while since I had the Amber edition.
That's good.
I remember my first Red Bull experience. It was from a high school friend, and I wasn't allowed to have energy drinks. Like, my mom just didn't allow it. So I went to my friend's house, and I think I was spending the night there or something like that, and he gave me a Red Bull, and then I took another one and I put it in my bag, and then I drank it when I got home, and I felt like such a rebel. I hid it from my mom.
You thought it was alcohol or some shit like?
It was a blueberry Red Bull.
Damn, that's why you like this so much?
Yeah.
I'm putting this out there right now that I'm gonna do this series, cause that's like fucking at least 12 to 14 videos.
At least.
Then Red Bull's gonna not only notice me, they're gonna follow me.
Yeah.
They're gonna want a partnership.
Yeah.
And they're gonna send me PR Red Bull and a Red Bull fridge for you, for your stream room.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. No, that's what I'm talking about.
So now I have to go get all the Red Bulls. Now we need to make an ice bath for our eggs.
Okay, so we had this mirror right here, but since this poster fell down, I'm thinking it would have to be way lower than that. I'm thinking maybe it could go over here. It would have to be like this.
Like here. Oh, that would be really cute for pictures though.
We're gonna try to find like a square mirror or something, or like a rounded one for that, because I think it'd be cute. So you have to shock them so they stop cooking.
Busting out the shell, right? EBTV egg.
Yeah, I bet it was
Cheers.
Cheers. Wait, cheers better. Cheers.
Boiled eggs are the best.
That's why, what's it called? Double bag. Them motherfuckers are good. You want some, Bubby? Here you go. Here, it's all yours.
He's so confused.
Oh my god, he got that. He ate just the white portion, the little...
Where's the yellow?
It popped on the ground. Is that good, Bubby? Did you like that?
The yummy?
Was that yummy?
Okay guys, hello. I officially am done editing my videos for today. I have one more video that I didn't edit. I don't know if I told you guys, but I had 5 videos in total today. I edited 4 of them, which is insane because they take about an hour and a half to 2 hours each. So that was fun, but yeah, I posted twice today on TikTok. So we're getting up there. Time for dinner. What's on the menu tonight is chicken, asparagus, and potatoes. Because I forgot we had potatoes.
It's like if you put hot water in there, then you're basically like making the boiling temp happen faster, you know what I mean?
Guys, can you tell us right now if it's bad to start boiling water as already hot tap water?
Someone let me know.
Because we're just curious.
Bring me out the asparagus.
This is gonna be a gourmet meal.
Believe in me.
We're gonna sear them first, then we'll... Babe, do you think you could pour these in so I don't get burnt?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, those are the fucking thunder clouds.
I feel it. I've made a little garlic butter. I'm gonna put it on all of these. Make sure I'm coating the whole thing. These are going right in the oven. Trevor and I are the type of people that we like watching storms and listening to them and having our windows open for them.
And smoking.
Yeah.
okay, dinner is in the oven. And Trevor and I made a little afternoon pick-me-up. My iced coffee, brown sugar. This is dinner tonight. Chicken, asparagus, potatoes. There's mine. I made a homemade ranch with cottage cheese. High protein as fuck.
It smells like good barbecue sauce. Cook this asparagus perfect.
That's good.
We're relaxing right now, and we're watching Temptation Island. We just smoked, and now we're having a chill sesh.
Okay, hi guys. This is gonna be the end of the vlog. We love you so much. Thank you for watching,
night,
and
guys.
we'll see you in tomorrow's. Holy shit! Look how many ladybugs are on our lamp.
Oh my god.
Okay, love you guys. Bye.